Hello everybody, welcome back to my other channel, my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make sausages in a crock pot. We got sausages on one of the meat raffle bowl round. So my homemade bang sauce. So I'm going to get the crock pot out. I'm going to put all the ingredients in there. Sausages, so we got the I'm going to get the bang. Now get a spoon. Done it. I'll put the might just put water on it to help the So I'm going to put the lid on. Put it on the switch. It's on already, so that's good. And thank you for watching how to make Crockpot sausages just with sausages and that sauce. If so, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Running it out. Bye. Yummy.